One thing about me, I cannot go to bed with a messy kitchen. It just messes with my soul. So every night, no matter how tired I am, I wash the plates, clean the cooker, sweep at least the kitchen. I like to wake up to a kitchen that is giving good vibes only. There's just this unexplainable joy that hits different when you walk into a clean kitchen first thing in the morning. Tonight is not going to be an exception. Also, tomorrow breakfast is rice and stew. Now, that is very strategic because rice is my emergency backup plan when I don't have the energies to start negotiating with my kids like a UN delegate. They might not eat much, but if you throw in some big chicken, no question asked, they are eating. So, I'll be bringing the chicken out from the freezer and drop it in the zinc to defrost overnight, mainly because my hands are not strong enough to chop on frozen foods, and this way, by morning, it will be cold, very cold but not frozen. And this is how my kitchen looks while going to bed, neat and tidy.
All the world to see, and Lord, I'm gonna worship in every way that I can. And when I've done it all, I'll just do it all again. Come on and sing it, choir. I'm gonna praise you. I'm gonna praise you with everything. Gonna lift you high, lift you high, for all the world to see. I'm gonna worship in every way that I can. And when I've done it all, I'll do it all again. Come on, everybody, sing it. I'm gonna praise you. I'm gonna praise you. Lord, with everything in me, gonna lift you high, gonna lift you high, for all the world to see. And I'm gonna worship in every way that I can. When I've done it all, I'll just do it all, yeah. Tell him all of me. All of me. Lord, I give it to you. I give to you. Sing it out. All of me. All of me. It's the least that I can do. The least that I can do. From the bottom of your heart, sing, hear me, Lord. My life, Lord, I lay before you now. Sing everything.
Good morning, guys. It's a few minutes past 5 a.m. I woke up feeling a little weak, so I grabbed some water and an apple to boost myself. And yes, the chicken is still cold, but soft enough to work with. Exactly what I was going for. By the way, is feeding your kids also a mini battle? Because me, I'm tired of begging little humans to eat like I'm offering poison. But let there be chicken, problem solved. I would love to hear how it goes with your kids. Drop hate in the comments so we can laugh and cry together. Anyway, while the food is cooking, I like to clean the house before the kids wake up. That way, I'm not multitasking and shouting, "Stop jumping, drop my mop." We are still in a temporary apartment. By the way, if you've watched my new in Canada vlog, you already know the gist. The kid sleeps on the couch, we turn into a bed, and without fail, around 3 to 5 a.m., they migrate like little penguins to our room. You probably saw them in the opening of this video, all cuddled up with me. If you ask me, is it cute? Yes. Restful? No. Sweeping a house with kids, oh please, it's not just sweeping, it's a full-blown excavation mission. You will be shocked at what we find under the chairs, behind the couch, and in every corner. But hey, we are used to it. At this point, I just grab my broom like a warrior entering battle. And to think, the number of times we sweep in a day, I've lost count. Honestly, it feels like there's something to sweep every 30 minutes. Crumb, paper, mystery particles from nowhere. I love my kids, but this part, definitely the hardest part of my day. Now, even though I'm a stay-at-home mom for now, I still run some side hustles that help support the family. One of them is forex trading. Let me not hype myself. I'm not doing any complex charts and analysis. I belong to an academy that sends us signal. All I do is copy, paste, and boom, dollar alert. The only thing is I have to catch the signals on time or it's gone. So yes, I'm that woman flippy chicken while placing a trade on her phone. I guess that makes me a queen. At this point, the food is done, the kids are still sleeping, and don't mind me blushing. My last trade hit sweet profit. I'm smiling like steel that just started to fry well. Even you can see I'm blessed already with this money. So I'll just portion everything into containers and toss them in the fridge. We will microwave when it's time to eat. I cleaned up the kitchen again after cooking. For now, it's bedtime and vibes for me before the house turns into a circus again. Thanks for watching, fam. See you in the next one. Like, share, and subscribe.